Hey guys, it's Issa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my low bun. I know my hair looks a little short, but I'm going to blow it out. That's first. And if I sound congested, I'm really sick. I don't know how I got sick. It's the freaking summertime, but I blame it on my coworker for pouring water at me when I was in front of a fan. So, yeah. So, I'm going to go ahead and use this olive oil Miracle Anti-Breakage Maximum Strength Growth Oil. I do not usually use this oil. This is my mom's, and so I don't know how the product works or how good it is. But that's what I'm going to be using for today. Like, I literally use the same system for doing my hair every time. And so literally, I have a lot of oil in my hands. And I'm just going to put that all over my hair, especially at the ends. It's extremely important to me. So these are my curls, you guys. Aren't they so pretty? But I'm not wearing any more wash and goes. I know I've been saying I am going to wear my wash and goes, but y'all know how I feel about wash and goes. I can't be wearing wash and goes all summer. They are just too much to keep up with. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Viva Curl Leave-In Conditioner. It looks like this. And I have an in-depth review on this conditioner. I'm gonna have an in-depth review on this conditioner very, very soon. I just got it, so I've been testing it out for a couple days. And so I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel genuinely in the next couple videos. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to use it for a couple days so you guys know my true honest opinion, because I don't like to just assume in one day that the product is freaking amazing. So yeah, you guys, make sure please that you turn your notifications on, because I don't know what's been going on with like my videos. Like, I have almost 500 subscribers, and like I don't know if people see my videos or get notified when my videos come up. So please make sure that you click the little bell button that's at the bottom so that you can receive notifications when I put my videos on. I am going to blow dry my hair. Normally I like to blow dry it. Well, I love using a comb attachment. Normally I let my hair air dry and I would do my bun tomorrow, but I'm impatient, so I want to do it today. Sorry y'all, I gotta have that tea. Use heat protectant. Use my heat protectant. This is the Chi 44 Iron Guard, but I'm not gonna flat iron my hair today.
So long, you been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last phone bill, car, no cable. With your phone out, gotta hit them angles. With your phone out, snapping like you Fable.
So, this is my hair. I didn't even know my hair was getting this long. I mean, I know it was getting longer, but I didn't think it was this long. My hair is already like shoulder length. That's crazy. It's past my shoulders. My hair is past my shoulders. Okay. So, I pretty much put my hair down the middle. Yes, I put my hair down the middle. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to be using Gorilla Snot. This is the... Which one is this one? It says Roquette on here. Gorilla Snot Gel. I don't know which one this is. This is, okay, the blue and red one, okay, because obviously it doesn't say which one. I think it's the sports one. Or it says rocker. I don't know. I don't really like this gel. I just feel like it does not, you know, hold really well. Or maybe it's because I've styled my hair wet previously. So I guess we'll find out the difference if I style it dry, because I always style my hair dry anyway. But some of you guys are like, how do I avoid like the waves in my hair and get a sleek bun? And in order to get that, you have to do your hair when it's dry. Okay, that's the most important thing. Right now I'm using this bristle brush, but usually I go in with this brush first, which is I forgot what you call this brush at the moment. Y'all gonna have to forgive me with my sickness. At least I'm trying to film a video. Okay, and I just brush all of my hair down into the back. And I use a lot of gel when it comes to styling my hair. Like, literally a lot. I don't know what's going on here. I low-key think I have a widow's peak, guys. Low-key. Because, like, what is this? And I hate widow's peaks. No offense to whoever has one, because it does look good on some people. But widow's peaks are not my preference. Okay? I don't want no freaking widow's peak at all. Let's not do this today. But yeah, okay. So I bring it down, push it down behind my ear, and you kind of want to do this to the back too, and then bring it over from the front to the back like this. It wouldn't be this easy if my hair wasn't fully stretched. I'm just letting you guys know. Because sometimes it does take more effort than others. Some days it does take more effort than others depending on the state of my hair. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some more gel, especially towards the front. You guys, not multitasking because I have to hold this down. Hold you down. I'm on my way. Okay, let me not try to sing while I'm sick. Okay, like, let's not do that today. And I'm just gonna brush it down. My edge wax. Sorry. And this used to be my signature look. I'm telling you guys. Oh, I said I wasn't gonna do no baby hairs, but here I am. Oh well. It's not really baby hairs. It's kind of just, you know, I guess I'm trying to justify the fact that I'm doing baby hairs. But it's not really baby hairs. I'm just like, you know, bringing it forward a little bit. Dang. Okay. That's all I'm doing. No baby hairs. Right? Y'all let me know if I'm doing baby hairs. I don't know. I'm just trying to bring a little bit of hair forward. A freaking bristle brush. Let me stop trying to do it with the freaking... That's better. All right. But like sometimes working with this gel, this particular one, I really just wanted to try something new. But I won't be trying any more new things. Now let me stop. I have to. Like my whole YouTube situation is on trying new things and products that will or will not work to tell other people. So I put this in here. It's very simple. I brush my hair. Literally. Since it's black, it should like blend really well. And I'm going to take my elastic and literally just put it around like this. And I'm going to push everything else on the inside. Like so, and just wrap it around one more time and then pull out. Alright, so it may not be the neatest, but there you have it. And after I'm done, see this right here? I don't like that to lift, so I go ahead and I smooth that down. Everything has to be smooth, honey. Like, I don't want anything to stick out. Put this one on for now because I'm not going to leave it on too long. And I'll be back in like 15 minutes, or the longer the better that you leave it to set. The flatter it will be, the better it will look. And If you could do this the night before, that would be even better. Like, you're set for life, honey. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna take my hair out of this wrap thing. I mean, my scarf. Look at God. Look at God himself. Okay, let me get some bobby pins. I'm just going to put like one right here because I don't want, the thing about bobby pins is that they make your bun look smaller, and I don't want my bun to look too small. I'm just putting them in areas where, you know, little hairs are sticking out, but I don't want my hair sticking out. See, I always have problems with keeping my hair like back here, but just gonna take some edge wax and just push it back there like that, and hopefully it should be put for the rest of today. Or you can do it on this side too, or you can leave the hairs here and twirl it around and wear it like that. Okay, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you turn your notifications on so you can receive notifications every time that I post. Is that something on my scalp? Yeah, that is. Excuse me, y'all, I'm very congested. But make sure you guys go ahead and click that bell, hit that like button, okay? And just so I can know that, you know, you guys are watching and you guys enjoy the content that I'm making. And I will see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, watch, share, do whatever you can, and I will see you guys in the next one.
I understand, you got 100 bands, you got a baby bands, you got some bad friends, high school pics, you was even bad then. You ain't stressing off no lover in the past tense, you already had them. Work at 8 a.m., finish round 5, close talk down, you don't see them outside. Yeah, they don't really be the same offline, you know dog days.